What we do is we prepare students for the real world of finance. This was a lecture series about financial markets. So we've had guests from financial institutions, we've had our professors as guest lecturers, investment bankers, we've had portfolio managers, we've had macroeconomists. So from all sorts of fields in finance to talk about their experiences, to talk about what was most important for them and what will be most important further on. The people that obtained the certificates had to do 10 of the assignments every week. At the end of the semester, you have about 5,000 page assignment, which you then qualify for the certificate. We will be contacting companies and saying that this is what we do, this is what we have done. And with this certificate, you can truly say that you understood what was going on in the lecture. And I believe the companies really value how you do it.
Plenty of writing through all this semester, plenty of hard work, but it was so worth it. Actually, it's enhanced my understanding of financial markets.